AI is flipping Hollywood on its head. We've now reached a point where you can replace actors in famous film scenes using just a photo, and it only takes minutes. No complicated prompts, no fancy software. All you do is upload a photo, and boom, you're the star. This revolutionary tool from Higgs Field AI introduces a jaw dropping feature called iconic scenes, where you can choose from over 30 legendary movie moments. With more on the way, then effortlessly swap out the original characters with anyone you want, even yourself or your favorite celebrities. You also get to apply one of 28 creative styles ranging from photorealistic to anime, comic book, noir, 3D, and more. Once you upload your photos, you can replace both characters in the scene. Yes, both. And the results are shockingly realistic. To give you an idea of how powerful this is, here are a few examples. In the Titanic scene, Brad Pitt and Taylor Swift take over the classic I'm flying moment, blending romance and star power in an entirely new way. In another example, using the style called My Precious, Brad Pitt was transformed into a hauntingly lifelike version of Gollum. And the realism is so spot on, it's eerie. Then there's the iconic walk scene from American Psycho, where you can imagine literally anyone strutting with that same chilling confidence. Or the glitchy, intense code collision moment from The Matrix, completely reimagined. You can go intergalactic with Interstellar, or bring the horror of Alien to a whole new level. Even the psychological mystery of Shutter Island becomes your own personal scene. The quality is next level. The facial mapping, the lighting, the emotion. It's like Hollywood level VFX at your fingertips. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just someone who wants to see themselves in their favorite movie scenes, this tool is like a dream come true. You don't need editing experience, just curiosity and a photo. Try it out using the link below and let your imagination run wild. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite scene swap idea, and subscribe for more mind blowing AI tools coming your way every week.